Dear customers, this is Tony from Kokoze. Today I will show you how to charge the battery correctly. A lot of customers contacted us. They're having the issue of charging the battery. First, the issue is the charging speed is very slow. So first, you need to make sure your power adapter is strong enough. Take these three power adapters for example. This smaller one is a 5 wattage and 1 amp one. And this one is 5 wattage and 2 amp. And this is a fast charging adapter. Its output wattage is 9 wattage and 2 amps and 18 watts. So this one charging speed is 2 times faster than this one and 4 times faster than this smaller one. So make sure your power adapter is strong enough. And second, please use the included charging cable we sent to you. And if you found our charging cable is not that fast, you also can use some high quality charging cable. This will work also. And another very important thing is, make sure you plug this smaller end, the Type-C head, into the power bank and plug this USB into the power adapter. Do not reverse the position. Otherwise, the battery, it will not take charge. Okay? So remember these three things. First, use a powerful power adapter. Second, choose a quality charging cable. And third, make sure you plug the Type-C head into the power bank. Do not reverse the position. And if you still have questions, welcome to contact us by email. Take this 20,000 mAh capacity power bank for example. If you are using this 5 wattage and 1 amp power adapter, the charging speed can be at least 20 hours. But if you are using this kind of 5 wattage and 2 amp power adapter, the charging time will be about 12 to 15 hours. But if you are using this kind of faster adapter, the charging time only need about 6 to 7 hours.